Fresh baked! It's Vlogtober time! And we have got a magical Mickey Halloween DIY for you guys. I think that this is the perfect little Halloween treat for you guys to be making for breakfast or any time of the day, actually, if I think about it. But how cute is this? We've got our little spiderweb Mickey cinnamon roll, and I can't wait to show you guys how easy this is to make. So let's go make it. All right, babies, you got your orange rolls, got your nice greased up cooking sheet, and now here is the scariest part, which I have to do by myself right now because nobody else is home with me. So please do not laugh at me. This is no joke. I do not enjoy this part. I get scared every time, and I have to make Christian do it for me. So please don't judge me because I don't enjoy this part. Why do they do that? You want to pull 2 of these out to start out the ears. My goodness. You might want to use a knife if you care about presentation, but if you don't care about presentation like me, clearly, who needs a knife? All right, you have your Mickey ears. Now you gotta make your little Mickey head. But Sarah, they're not touching. I know, Fresh Baked. Unroll one of your cinnamon rolls. Hey. And then just continue until you finish. To be safe, you might want to attach the ears by pinching the dough a little bit together, just to make sure that your little Mickey head stays in one piece. Make sure you have preheated your oven. You're good to go. It smells like cinnamon Mickeys in this house. Yes! Oh my God, that's the greatest thing I've ever seen in my life. Okay, Fresh Bake, this is some serious Mickey we got going on here. And I want to make this even more beautiful. So instead of just slopping this bad boy all over, we are actually going to drop it in here. All right, you got your frosting in your bag. You just want to cut a little snip off the corner. You're gonna mash it up and you are going to make a spiderweb extravaganza. All right, gang, so it is a little messy, so if you do want your kids to help you with this, make sure you're gonna be aware of the mess, as you saw. I really get all out, and I add an actual little spider. You don't have to, that might scare the crap out of your kids, but why not? All right, Fresh Baked, we have got our finished Mickey Spiderweb Breakfast Halloween Treat. That's a mouthful. Think of a better name before you present it to your family. And I you guys enjoyed doing this little treat with me. I have been smelling this cooking in my house for the past 20 minutes or so, so I'm about to like mess this up right now. But in the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that you make one for your family. If you do, send fresh baked all your pictures so we can see how yours turned out. And until next time, thank you so much for joining us on another Vlogtober adventure. I hope you guys are having fun with me. I'm having a Halloween blast doing this. And until next time, fresh baked.